Get the doggies. Hi. It's probably warmer in there than it is out here. Oh, look, he's got a jacket on. Christina would love this. Hello. Guys, I don't know what the hell we're about to look at, but it's crazy and weird, and I like that. So we're gonna take an opportunity to look at one of my coworker friend Nick has just bought this Isuzu Via Cross. It's some weird Jeep looking thing. Look at just, I don't even know how to describe this thing. It looks, I mean, it looks like a weird futuristic Jeep. Inside's kind of nice though. 4-wheel drive. Look at the nice leather in there though. Oh, it's got a back seat. Full back seat. That's nice though, it's not bad. Door panels look good. What the hell? This is like the coolest thing. Look, what is this, like a 4-cylinder?
It's a 6-cylinder.
6-cylinder Isuzu Vehicross?
Vehicross.
Vehicross?
Like vehicle in cross.
Oh, V-E-H-I. Vehicross. Oh no. Yeah, so it needs a new engine.
It needs a motor.
I bet this thing hauls ass though.
Maybe with the 5-speed.
Oh, okay. So, Nick bought this truck for one purpose, and really, I mean, I guess it's gonna be a daily driver at some point, but he wants to have fun in it. So at some point, once he gets a new motor in it, I'm gonna have to convince him to take us and, you know, do some dumb shit with it. So, but hey, y'all ever seen a Vehicross before? I haven't.
She said, babe, you gotta get more. You gotta, and it's crazy because I'm so laid back. I just be chilling.
See, it's, I don't know.
I put on some music, kind of dance for a second, and then get in there and just, yo, what's up, bro?
See, it's, I understand. Damn, I left my hat at home. It's because my boy Midnight Nightmare came through the shop today to stop by so we could take a look at his truck. My guy's over, hey, he's got a YouTube channel too. I'm gonna put your YouTube channel on the page, right? See, I love filming with other people because they understand, they have mentally, they can understand things a little bit differently. Why we say things, why we operate the way we do it. Just, I love the energy when somebody else is filming around me, and I don't have that too often. But my boy came through, you could tell on the title and the thumbnail, this is one of one. This is a custom color, and I had to get this on the channel. I messaged him the other day as soon as I saw the truck, shot a message. I can't remember if it was a DM or a comment on a picture, but I had to get him on the channel. I did see you got up with Roadshow a couple weeks ago, right?
Yes,
you shout out to Roadshow ATL. A lot of awesome guys that get work done under there. They do great stuff as well. But this is a custom color that we're gonna dive into today. I've been seeing a lot of these 2019, 2020. These are the new wave right now. If I had to get rid of my truck, if I had to get rid of the bow tie over here, it would absolutely be for one of these. That 2019, 2020 with the 26x14s is definitely the wave right now, and it's a beautiful, beautiful combination. But I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all take a look at this truck. We got 2019 Silverado Z71 with the custom badges on it. Look, nobody's doing this right now. Nobody's got the custom badges. The custom vinyl with he found the vinyl that actually matches the wheels that we're gonna get into in just a minute. He was just telling me off camera his guy hadn't gotten done with the YouTube and the Instagram for the side windows and the back windows. So like I said, I'm gonna put it on the screen, rewind back a little bit, go follow my man, show some love, stop playing around and show some love to my guy. Black Midnight Nightmare, that's a mouthful. And he's got it spelled weird too, so I'm gonna put it on there so y'all can see it. So we're gonna start with my favorite. You guys know I'm always showing love to the McGoy's lift kit. This is a cross between an orange and a brown, right?
Yes, sir.
Is there a specific name to the color?
I had to get it.
It's a cross between brown and orange. I don't know if this is if the video is going to do it justice, but this is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful color. And actually, one thing I really like is that you did the McGoy's logo in the same color. I don't see a lot of people do that. A lot of people do the chrome, and the chrome is nice, but I actually, to me, that's really clean. I actually really like that they did the this brown orange logo on there. And then we've got obviously all the matching pieces. We got the I can't remember if they're torsion bars up front. I always get the name mixed up. Somebody drop a comment below. They're not traction bars on the front. They're something else. And we got all, obviously all the, you know, drop brackets and stuff are in the same color. Spindles in the same color. And we've got some other stuff on the way. But my favorite part, and I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I have a feeling I see some XF off-roads in my future at some point. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Obviously mine will be custom colored too. But we got some 26x14 XF off-road. Huge shout out to XF off-road in this beautiful orange brown custom color. Do you remember what I don't remember if XF has the names of the wheels or if it's like a 224s. I've been seeing these. A lot of people have been doing the 28s of these, and the 28s are pretty cool too, but 28s are too much wheel for me. But we got some 37 1350, the amps. JW's had the amps on his last truck, and he said he really liked them. So y'all need to tap in if you guys are looking for some good tires that are relatively priced. Amps are definitely the way to go. From what I've been told, they ride well, not too loud. They got some pretty good wet traction, so make sure you guys go check out Amp Tires. I'm showing love to everybody today. But one of the coolest things to me, and I had to get him on the channel, and I'm gonna say it 100 times, is this color is crazy. Color match traction bars on the back too, gotta show love. McGaughy's has the nicest traction bars on the market. If you don't agree with me, I'm blocking you. I'm just gonna say it right. I'm gonna block you. I'm blocking you right now. You that's commenting, I'm blocking you. I'm sorry. McGaughy's has the best looking traction bars on the market. Don't at me, or at me, I don't care. I'll shout it out to everybody. But I can't get over this color. I really can't. And then well, I don't want to say maybe not the best part because I like the wheels, but something that I don't see a lot either. And you're going with this like not slime drip or like what'd you call it? Nightmare. He's got the nightmare theme. Oh, he's got the hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. See, I love that. There's so many just little things about this truck that people aren't doing right now, and I really appreciate the thought that goes into this. I love because normally you got the Chevrolet on the back that goes across. Well, he's thrown a little nightmare twist into it, so I really fuck with that. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna cuss because that's the only way to really get the message across, is that I fuck with this. The orange and the black is hard as hell, and y'all need to go follow my guy. Show some fucking love. You gotta let me open the door. We're going. Oh man. Oh, hit the button, he says. So my first thought is peanut butter insides, but I think we agree that it's not peanut butter. It's a little bit lighter. Yes. On the inside. Like a sandy. Like sandy. We're gonna have to think of a name for this color. Me and you, we're gonna get together. We got to think of a name for this color. Drop some names below. What do you guys think this color should be named? It's not. Maybe it's like orange peel. Nah, I don't know. Drop some names below. We'll the best name below. We'll do some. We'll consider it. We'll consider it. Yeah, we need some kind of cool ass name for this color. From what I've been told, he's got some interior stuff on the way. So right now the interior is kind of basic, but it's super clean. I don't think I've ever seen. Is that custom or did that come that way?
Oh, that's custom.
Okay, I was gonna say I don't think I've ever seen.
But it's the Cat Skins brand.
Okay, so shout out to Cat Skins, great product. It's like this. Man, that's gonna throw me off. I really wish I had a name for the color, but I genuinely don't. There's no name for it yet. So, like I said, drop some comments below. Let me know what you guys think we should name this color. It's very beautiful. Just super. I don't know. The camera's gonna make it look brighter than it is. It's. Damn, I really can't, like, it's almost like matte because it's not super glossy. It's almost like not Georgia clay, that's more red. Yeah. We're gonna spend some time off camera and really think about this. Like this is gonna bother the hell out of me. I hope y'all know that. That's what I'm talking about.